Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Let's talk about umami. Because umami isn't something you usually taste, it's something you feel. If your food is seasoned, balanced, and still kind of boring, that's usually not a salt problem. That's an umami problem. Umami is what makes food satisfying. It's why you want another bite. It's what makes food feel finished. It's not just MSG. Mushrooms, tomatoes, aged cheese, slow cooked stocks. They all bring umami in different ways. If you ever wondered why something tastes good but doesn't stick with you, this is why. In the Umami Foundation, I break down what umami actually is, where it comes from, and how to use it without making food heavy. Save this. Share it with someone who says their food is missing something. And tell me what dish never quite hits for you. We'll fix it. Thank you and have fun cooking.